Here, you no longer need models, lighting setups, wardrobe changes, or even to stand in front of a camera. Just give an idea. HeyGen takes care of the rest. You have two paths. Path 1. Create an avatar from scratch. All you need is imagination and a clear description. Start by naming your avatar, then write a detailed description. The more precise, the better. For example, a 28-year-old Iranian woman with long black hair, large brown eyes, a gentle smile, and natural makeup. Next, choose demographic options such as age, gender, and ethnicity from the available settings. Then select the style options: image format, pose, and overall visual style. Throughout this process, the panel on the right shows live cost estimates, including approximate credit usage. Before generating, it's best to assign the avatar to a project. Once everything looks good, click Generate Photo Avatar, and within minutes, a flawless, studio quality, 100% realistic image appears before you. Path 2. Create a custom avatar from your own face. Want the avatar to look exactly like you, but in any style or scenario? This is your path. Upload a clear photo of your face. Once uploaded, the Create Avatar Group button becomes active. Click it to create your personal avatar group, and add more photos if you want even more accuracy. Next, train your avatar by clicking Avatar Training. In less than 5 minutes, the AI learns your facial features, allowing you to create custom avatars with your own face in the future. The panel on the right shows every step of the process in real time. Finally, just like before, click Generate Photo Avatar, and you're all set.